Meet the Jeep Compass Limited 4x4, a sleek combination of style and performance wrapped in bright white. This SUV boasts a 2.0-liter I4 turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's say it's a smooth and comfortable ride. The interior is as refined as it is functional, featuring leatherette seats in a sophisticated black and sepia color scheme. Stay connected and entertained with the 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium sound system. Safety is top tier with full-speed forward collision warning plus, blind spot detection, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Features like the dual-pane panoramic sunroof and Alpine speaker system take your driving experience to the next level. With its advanced tech and premium features, the Compass Limited 4x4 is built for those who demand more from their everyday adventures. Visit whitesidecars.com, where your satisfaction comes first.